Hello and welcome to Cryptonews.
Today, May 5, 2023, and the top news for crypto is as follows.
We will start with our nations, and we'll go to Nigeria, where the Nigerian government has approved the national blockchain of Nigeria. This is awesome news for Nigeria. It will bring it into the future very, very quickly. However, we don't have a date nor when this blockchain will start to be built, nor of course when it will be finished. And as you know, a national blockchain network takes many, many years if you look at how long it took China to build it. We're going to go to our states as well, and we'll start with the state of Montana, which passed a bill to protect Bitcoin mining from unreasonable demands. And I wonder if this bill was created to block the legislation that the White House wants to put in place, that would impose up to a 30% tax on cryptocurrency exports, which is a very unjustifiable amount. We're going to North Carolina as well, which passed a bill that bans state crews with CBDCs. We'll say that it doesn't even have its own CBDC, nor is it even considering building one as of yet. Despite all this, the same states, as you can see, are trying to put legislation that protects them from the moves that the state itself wants to do. We will move forward to our banks, and we're going to this bank right here, Horizon National Bank. Well, what has happened with this bank is that the Canadian lender TD Bank has cancelled its $13.4 billion deal to acquire First Horizon National Bank. And that's exactly why the stock of this bank has plummeted as we speak, at minus 56%. And that's exactly why Bitcoin has also had a slight uptick today. So, as you can see, another bank is about to collapse unfortunately. We're going to go over to our companies, and we're going to Digital Currency Group, where the CEO and founder of the company is selling an Ethereum Classic Trust worth $755,000. This amount is very, very close to the amount that Digital Currency Group owes Gemini. So I'm wondering, maybe we'll see some payback of that debt at last. We're going to our exchanges and we'll go to Coinbase, where Coinbase has reported revenues in the first quarter of 2023 with earnings of $736 million. The amount is a 22% increase from the financial data that was given to us in the fourth quarter of 2022. As you can see, this is very, very positive news for Coinbase, and thanks to this, its share price has expanded to a 7.9% rise. And that's exactly why Kathy Wood of ARK Invest has been buying Coinbase stock like crazy in recent days. We'll go to another news item about Coinbase, which, as you may recall, had resorted to court because the SEC, first of all, doesn't give clear laws for cryptos in America and has not answered some of Coinbase's questions. Coinbase had given those questions about a year ago if I remember correctly. Well, the court ordered the SEC to answer Coinbase within 10 days, and it's a little bit scary when we're forced to go to court for a public entity to respond to us. We'll go to our coins, and we'll go to Voyager, which, after its failure to be acquired by Binance US, from what we're told, will start to liquidate its own incidental assets whenever its creditors might start to prepay in the next week or so. As you know, Avalanche has a partnership with Alibaba, and now we have learned that Alibaba Cloud will build a metaverse launchpad on top of Avalanche. Well, this particular project is called Cloudverse, and what it will do is it will allow companies to build their own metaverse for their offices and for their businesses on Avalanche. So this is great news for Avalanche, as you can understand. And now we're going to go to our last piece of news of the day, and we're going to go to NFT Star Wars. So Disney has partnered with Crypto Toys to make NFT Star Wars, which will cost $40 and will be traded on the blockchain of Flow for anyone who's interested. And inside, we go to the crypto market with Bitcoin having a little bit of a slight uptick. And as I said, this is probably happening because another bank is about to collapse. So slowly people are seeing the real value of Bitcoin and crypto.
And that was the top news for crypto today, 5th of May 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watched is created for educational purposes only and in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and a comment which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.